Do you know about sickle cell disease? First, let's go to the definition. Cell disease is a condition in which red blood cells are not shaped as they should be. Red blood cells usually look like round discs, but in sickle cell disease, they shape like crescent moon or an on-farm tool known as a sickle. In order to have a clear understanding about the causes for sickle cell disease, let's talk about central dogma. Central dogma of molecular biology, which is just the genetic information in a cell, is formed in the form of DNA. The DNA is used to generate complementary RNA through a process called transcription. That RNA is then used to synthesize a corresponding protein through the process called translation. Just looking at a quick example, our short DNA strand here will be used to generate an RNA strand. Remember that A pairs with U and C pair with G. Next, our DNA will be used to generate proteins through translation. Remember that during this process, RNA nucleotides are read in group of 3 called codons in order to generate corresponding amino acid. Just very generally, we said that mutations have the effect of making this synthesized protein not turn out quite right. Moving on to the causes of sickle cell disease. Sickle cell disease is an example of the disease that caused by a genetic mutation. HBB gene codes for hemoglobin, which is a protein in a red blood cell that coordinates to iron ions in order to hold on to oxygen molecules and transport them throughout the body. A mutation in HBB results in a change in one of the bases of the DNA sequence from an A to a T. Then changes the amino acid in the hemoglobin protein from glutamic acid to valine. This causes the body to produce a new form of hemoglobin called HbS, which behaves very differently to the regular hemoglobin. BS causes the red blood cells to develop abnormally and become sickle-shaped rather than the usual donut shape, which is harder and less flexible. It means that they can become stuck in the blood vessels, causing blockages. All human cells affect human health seriously. Cells can lead to some serious disease such as anemia, episodes of pain, painful swelling of hands and feet, frequent infections, delayed growth, and vision problems. So what? Helped to discover a deeper understanding about the DNA, especially the mutation and its effect toward humans. U.S. sickle cell disease affects around 100,000 Americans and accounts for over $450 million in healthcare expenses each year. Therefore, we need to acknowledge about the details in this dangerous disease to have the best treatment for this.